Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix FB dating option not showing on your iPhone and iPad. If FB dating is not showing in your iPhone and iPad, then I'll show you how can you fix it. As you can see guys, it's not showing in my Facebook. So how can I enable it, or how can you enable it? Just simply close this page. And the first step is that you have to make sure that you have an updated version of Facebook. So you have to open App Store in case of iPhone or iPad. So you have to search for Facebook, and from here you have to make sure that you have an updated version. As you can see guys, I have updated version and it's not showing there. So the second is that you have to open settings, and then you have to scroll it down, and then you have to tap on general, and from here you have to make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version. If it's showing any update available here, then you have to update your device to the latest version and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if it's not showing, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and from here you have to turn on location for Facebook, and after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if it's not showing, then you have to make sure that you are over 18. So you have to check your date of birth in Facebook that you have given in your Facebook, and make sure that you are 18 plus. Okay guys, if you were 18 plus and still it's not showing, then the reason is that your country is not enabled to available this option. Okay guys, so you have to change your country, because in some countries this option isn't available. So you have to change your country to that country in which this option is showing. So you have to change your country. From settings, go to your Apple ID, then you have to tap on media and purchases, view account, and from here you have to change your country to that country in which this option is showing. So you have to tap on country origin, and from here tap on change country origin, and from here you have to select your country. So you can select the country from here, and you can easily enable this option on your Facebook. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is also, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.